Okay, so I'm just gonna go over collection instructions for Great Plains Lab to kind of clarify stuff on top of the instructions that they give. All I've done here is empty the box. This is how it comes. We've got your ice brick, which you're gonna freeze, and then this is where you collect your urine. You're gonna put your name, date of collection, date of birth, all of the identifiers that they ask for on this. And then you can put it in the freezer with your ice brick. So it's gonna be your first morning collection. The instructions tell you to stop taking certain supplements. It also says to not eat certain foods, but we just take that into account if you were already taking them. So just let us know. And that gets frozen and then it's shipped out as soon as you possibly can. Now, for shipping instructions, we'll go over quickly. The shipping stuff is actually in this little bag that they have where you'll eventually store your urine and ice pack. But FedEx will give you the whole clinic pack here. It will give you, if you're in Canada or if you're in the US, it's going to be a little bit different. If you're in Canada, you'll have your FedEx papers, which you fill out just your information and sign it down here. And then you schedule a pickup. But if you're in Canada, there's one other step, and that is filling out your commercial invoice. So this has to be present in the little baggie for you to be able to send it out, and you need to make a couple copies of it because there has to be 3 in there. So I'm just gonna quickly show you. We're gonna get this pack ready. We're gonna slide off the little baggie that gets stuck to the front of the clinic pack. Again, you fill out just your information and sign, and they're gonna accept it. You slide that in a little baggie. And then you separate off your commercial invoice that is filled out as well. All you have to do is the weight of the package, sign, and then your information here, date, and then the tracking number. The tracking number is located multiple places, but you can even take a sticker from here and stick it onto there for the tracking number. Then once you have 2 other copies of this, you fold it and you're gonna place it in behind your weigh bill. And then after the urine is frozen, it's gonna go in here with the ice pack into the baggie. First, it's gonna go into the hazard pack, sorry. There's a little biohazard bag it has to go into, so excuse me, I missed that. It's got a little absorbable paper. You make sure it's sealed, and you can put the baggie, the ice pack just in the back here. So like that. The urine's there. It has to stay cold. They will measure it. If it gets too hot, they will make you recollect. So then you're going to seal it up, and then that goes into the box. And then the box is going to go into the bag, but you can't forget your test requisition form. So for your test requisition, it's just your information here. This will be my information, so we will provide you with that. It's going to be a patient pay because you're paying directly to the lab. We're not going to increase the price at all. You're paying wholesale directly to them. And then you just have to sign and date down here. Now, I will have told you which testing to do. A lot of the times it might just be the organic acid, or it'll be the organic acid and the mycotox, or we might just be doing over here one of the combo packs. So if I say the EnviroTox Complete panel, that's going to have GPL toxins, the oat test, glyphosate, and mycotoxin. So that's going to be our most complete one. So if you need to know pricing for that, we can tell you, but like I said, the lab is going to directly bill you. But that's the only tests that we would be doing from here. And then there's just a little questionnaire section here for that they want some information for, and then also really important, so yours is going to be urine, and it has to have the collection date and time. So, and then they ask you a question like, has your urine been frozen, yes or no? And it can be frozen for all of the organic acid tests. And then this gets folded up, placed into the box. shut, placed into the bag, and now you're ready to call FedEx, have them pick it up, or go to your closest FedEx. Or if it's not like in the sweltering heat of the summer, you can even put it in a FedEx drop box. You know, there's also the instructions that you can read through that I've probably missed, but those are just going over some of the most pressing questions that we get. Yeah, so let us know if we've missed anything and we can help you out.